Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is data structure fundamentals 1 Mat1 Answer8. So the first question is how to create a dynamic array. Okay, so to create a dynamic array, what we need to do is, like, first of all we would create a normal array, right? Let's say it has a size of 8. Then I check if that array is filled more than 75%, right? So that would be uh, let's say six element. If it has more than 6 element, then I would say like create a new array of size double the size. So the new size would be 16, and copy all the elements from the old array to the new array, right? So I have preserved all the elements in the new array. So again that again whenever I enter the elements, it would check for the condition, and if it is filled more than 75%. So for example here it would be more than 12 elements. So if I have entered more than 12 elements inside then that array, then it would say okay, now copy all those elements, like create a new element, copy all those element into the new array, and delocate the old array. So in that way I have created a dynamic array. The second question is, what are ASCII values ranges from 0 to 9, A to Z, and capital A to Z and small a to Z, right? So ASCII values for 0 to 9 would be from 48 to 50, 0 for 0 to 9 it would be 48 to 57. Then A to Z would be 65 to 90, and small a to Z would be 97 to 122. That is it. Thank you.